Hey guys, Austin here with VOLT Life-Proof Grooming, and today we're going to be talking about the VOLT GoPack. Now the GoPack is VOLT's answer to the standard traveling toiletry bag that has been plaguing men's lives for many years now. How often do you find yourself digging through a large standard single pouch for your tweezers, your toothbrush, your Q-tips, whatever it is? And today we're going to be talking about how VOLT solves that problem and innovates on a lot of the things that you're probably looking for in a toiletry bag when you're traveling. Probably the thing I like most about the GoPack is it's TSA friendly. These bottles you can get from VOLT are 2.7 ounces. Just the right size you need to get through TSA without a hitch. And they just slide back into these mesh pouches perfectly. You can fit just about any travel size bottles of any product in here that you need. One of the other things I like, I'll get up close here, that you can see are these elastic straps. Now these straps hold anything that you want to put in there. As you can see, I've got my toothbrush, I've got my nail clippers, and my tweezers right here. Everything is right where I can see it, where I need it. I can pull everything out individually and then just slide it back in. VOLT's got a tiny clear pocket up here. I've got it filled with my VOLT color and my twin comb. And of course, everything up here can be grabbed individually as well. Now, one of my favorite features about the bag is this large clear pouch. Not only can you see everything that's in there, but depending on where you keep your GoPack, let's say you put it in your shower so you can have all your shower products, your shampoos, your conditioners, everything like that. Maybe you want everything in this pouch to stay away from the water. You can remove the pouch like that and put it on your sink. It's got some Velcro right here as well as two snaps to keep it secure when you do want to put the pouch back on and keep everything nice and snug. Now let's talk about what the GoPack is made of, because there's no point having a travel bag that can't handle the travel. Now the outside of the GoPack that you can see here is a Cordura based shell. Now Cordura is actually a military grade tactical material that they use to put in things like tactical gear. I have a pair of motorcycle pants that are actually made of Cordura as well. So if this stuff can take a slide at 70 miles an hour, it's probably good enough to take in your travel case wherever you're going. Now there are two colors of GoPack. I've got the camo here and I've got the standard black. You pretty much see everything I've got here on my counter, everything that you need to go traveling with, you can fit really easily actually in the GoPack. Now you hang it with this little hook. You can hang it around a towel rod, a towel rack, you can hang it in the shower on any kind of hooks or anything they've got in there. Now of course when you're ready to hit the road, you can just fold the GoPack up like this, and it's got an adjustable snap down here. Snap it in at the top, pull it to tighten. You can see just how tight and compact that is. Nothing's gonna fall out. You can spin it around, you can do whatever you want, you can toss it in your bag and go. So if you guys are curious about getting your own GoPack, head to voltgrooming.com and feel free to check out all the products that are GoPack compatible as well.